Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves that perfectly matte, flawless finish that lasts all day long, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to give you just that. The KIKO Milano Unlimited Long-Lasting Matte Loose Powder. It's designed to keep your skin looking fresh and shine-free while offering a lightweight, breathable finish. Let's see how well it stacks up in real life. This powder comes in a loose form, making it easy to apply and blend. The color we're focusing on today is 04 Sienna, which is perfect for medium to tan skin tones, offering a natural matte finish that doesn't look too dry or cakey. As for its benefits, KIKO Milano claims this powder will give you long-lasting matte coverage, and it's lightweight enough not to feel heavy on the skin. Plus, it features a practical sifter to prevent any mess or wastage. It's definitely a must for anyone who prefers a smooth, shine-free look throughout the day. I've been testing this powder for a few weeks, using it in a variety of different settings, from everyday wear to a full glam look. First off, the powder feels incredibly fine and light on the skin, which I love. It blends smoothly without looking overly powdery. I applied it in the morning, and by the end of the day, I could still see that the matte finish had held up well without the usual midday shine breakthrough. For me, that's a huge win, because most powders tend to lose their matte effect after a few hours. But of course, no product is without its flaws. While I absolutely appreciate the lightweight feel, I did find that I had to reapply just a little bit in the afternoon to keep things looking flawless. The sifter is a nice touch, but sometimes it dispenses a bit too much powder, so you have to be careful when tapping it out. It's not a deal breaker, but something to be mindful of. Let's talk about the pros. The texture is incredibly smooth, it doesn't look cakey, and it definitely helps with oil control. It feels very comfortable on the skin, and I found it worked well even on days when my skin felt a little drier than usual. The sifter design is practical, ensuring that the powder doesn't go everywhere. As for the cons, I did experience that slight need for a touch-up during the day, which might be something to consider if you're looking for something more bulletproof. Now, when it comes to value for money, I would say this is definitely a solid product. The performance aligns with the price point. It's not the cheapest, but you're getting a quality powder that lives up to the claims. For a product in this range, it delivers long-lasting results and a finish that feels luxurious. So I'd say it's worth it. There are definitely cheaper options out there, but they don't always give you the same level of smoothness and staying power. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but practical. The powder is housed in a sturdy container, and the sifter helps ensure you don't end up wasting any product. It's a clean and fuss-free design, which I appreciate. As for longevity, the powder seems to last well over time. I've been using it consistently, and I can tell it's not going to run out quickly, which adds to the overall value. While I didn't need to contact customer support for this product, KIKO Milano generally has a good reputation for its customer service. They're responsive and approachable, which adds an extra layer of trust when purchasing their products. If you're on the hunt for a similar product but at a lower price, there are alternatives like the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's often praised for being a more budget-friendly option while still giving you that smooth, matte finish. Of course, it might not have the same level of luxury feel that the KIKO Milano powder offers, but it's a solid contender. To wrap it up, the KIKO Milano Unlimited Long-Lasting Matte Loose Powder delivers on its promises of a smooth, matte finish that lasts throughout the day. While it might need a touch-up here and there, it offers great value for money considering the performance and quality. If you're someone who struggles with shine or just loves that matte look, this powder is definitely worth trying. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.